In the last 2 days, the price has risen in value, starting from this area of support 41 at 8.33, and we can see the price form at 2 bullish candles. Yesterday, the bullish candle has reached a higher price level. We can see that here, but the price could not manage to close above this area of resistance around 4230.55. We can see the price trying to move higher, and the price is currently today has reached that higher price level. We will see how the day will end by the end of the day, but currently what we can see, the price is starting to rise in value. The demand zone here where the buyers are waiting have pushed the price higher to the higher price levels, but we can see there is no so strong push from the buyers like in this example here when we have a strong bullish candle, but we have a slightly move from the area of support to the higher price levels. On the yesterday we can see the price is still inside this range area. Could not manage to make a bullish breakout or bearish breakout, we can see that, and the price is stuck here since here it is by the end of November. So almost 2 weeks the price cannot manage to make a bullish or bearish breakout outside of this range area, but we can see this is the area where the price has been stopped by the buyers who are pushing the price to the higher price level. We can see that yesterday the price in the evening, the price formed a strong bullish candle and it has stopped just here at the resistance level. Now the price is formed some kind of a bearish pin bar, not right here at the resistance level, slightly down, which indicates slightly that there is still bearish pressure here pushing the price down, but we'll see how the price will behave during the day. But for now we can see that the price has found enough strength to push higher. The buyers are pushing up, so there is at least some kind of intent from the buyers to push the price even higher and higher. I'm still open to see the price to the higher price level. We can see that the price is still in the bullish mode. Bullish trend is still active on the market, and this is the support level that is still holding, not allowing the price to reach lower levels. So this is some kind of a small signal that the price could reach higher price levels, but I'm still waiting for a clean breakout above this area of resistance, which will indicate further rise in value, where the next target is the daily resistance 4289.23. So still waiting for the market. I have entered here based on the assumption that this is a support level that is still holding. So stop loss is below these wicks, which means the lowest level where the price has not managed to touch this area because of the strong support, a strong demand zone where the buyers are waiting. I'm expecting that the price will rise in value, first reaching this area of resistance, but we can see on the daily time frame these are the levels where the open and close of these daily candles is the target where the price could reach when the price starts to rise to this area of resistance. So I would like to get out from this trade here at this area of resistance, and it is slightly above this area of 4289.23, a daily resistance level. Now let's see when the market makes a move. Let's wait for a move and then follow the market. That's all for today. See you tomorrow and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.